In today's market summary, Indian shares took a dip following the Reserve Bank of India's decision to maintain its key policy rate and stance unchanged. Despite a bright domestic economic outlook, US tariff threats are causing concerns and dampening sentiment, even as the RBI expresses positive commentary on India's growth. The Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex dropped by 0.31% and 0.21%, respectively. In Asia, equities showed a mixed performance while regional currencies remained subdued as investors watch President Trump's upcoming Fed nominations and assess the impact of tariffs on US growth. The dollar index hovered near unchanged against a basket of currencies, suggesting a high probability of a September rate cut by the Fed. On the brighter side, Vietnam reported a 16% year-over-year increase in July exports, while India's rupee and stocks remained stable after the central bank held rates steady. However, the outlook is changing as ASEAN countries and India face increased tariffs from August. The lingering tariff threats could impact market confidence and hit rate-sensitive sectors like realty, consumer goods, auto, and finances particularly hard in India. US-exposed IT and pharma stocks also took a hit, dropping by 1.7% and 2%. In summary, geopolitical tensions and trade disputes continue to shape market movements in the region. Despite a weaker performance from equity markets, the Indian rupee strengthened against the US dollar due to the RBI's decision to hold key rates steady. Traders are anticipating further easing or a dovish tone from the central bank in future decisions. Stay tuned for more updates as these global economic events unfold.